Okay, so I will start a new session. Getting used to it. This is a key level. This market is from downtrend, trying to get towards uptrend. Not done, not there yet. This is also a key level actually. These have changed the polarity. Can you imagine? But now this is an engulfing, and in engulfing, this is a strong level round number. I did not trade it because I wanted to trade above this round number. So when an engulfing is followed by a strong cape candle, what should we do? It basically says that the change of polarity happened again, but we have to see a rejection. Where is the rejection happening? There's no rejection. Yeah, okay, so two times rejection here. I would say let's go for it. Okay, I lost it. Just not bad. Because it still wants to go towards. Now it reached stopped at half of this. This is trying to go up. This is one key level as well. I don't trade it because it was strong candle in an apparently newly forming uptrend. At least 20 EMA was quite strong, shape up. This was also an engulfing, but in the opposite direction, so you need a better entry point. Now it says that it wants to go further up, but it stopped at this level. It didn't cross this level also. It can also say that I want to be creating a double top. Okay, so this is again an evening star, which is a strong evening star. It again crossed this, I would go for a bad entry point. Why did I get such a bad entry point? So it went so fast, got a really bad entry point. I would rather sell it right now because I got a very bad entry point. I'm not happy with that entry point. And that's a luxury you get with the digital options. It was good trade, but bad entry point. Now this one also stopped exactly at this level, at a junction of middle Bollinger Band, 20 EMA touching for the first time, and at this level, which is a process of elimination. So, should we do reversal? Ideally, yes. But from which level? Below this wick level, because this was otherwise a strong body candle. So let's see where it ends up, and then you know. So it is a good reversal which happened, but it stopped at this level exactly. So this is a strong hammer with a long wick, but it stopped exactly at this level. So the thing is that it can also be going towards, yeah, I don't know. I can't make out. It's not a head and shoulders pattern. Could be, but it's a small shoulder. But this was not a very high head. This was more of double top, but the pullback should not happen like this. So now we see that the minor trend is downtrend. This is has been a resistance level as well. So here it went first, it came here, after then three candles and only one candle. So it is really pushing against this level. Even if you find a triangle here, it will want to go further down. But this was not a strong candle, so I did not want to trade it like this. Now let's find a nice support level. What do you think should happen? Did it touch the one deviation? No. Do you think it will go further down? It has already crossed this level, so I won't put it a bearish trade yet. It's otherwise messed up EMAs. So this is called a pullback. Ideally, you should not trade the pullback. You should not trade that pullback. You have to trade after the pullback. So this it couldn't go beyond this level. I should not trade after this pullback. But this is a strong resistance level. But I will not trade it. The amount is too high for me. This is a retracement after the pull. This is basically a. This is now a pullback. This pullback happened here once. Now it's happening again here. So it's not giving a very positive or very strong signals that it will go down so easily because it's trying to push back up. See, it took this as a support level. This as a support level and trying to push itself up again. You know what happens here? It goes up further. And to what extent? You can't even imagine because these two are quite close to each other. So let's use one deviation 120 MA as support level and then we could have traded this. But let's see what's the trend line says. The trend line says it should go down. And now this is kind of a harami, but it also stopped exactly at one deviation. Oh, sorry, 20 MA. So when they are contradicting signals like harami but stopping at one deviation, also 20 MA or at a key level, then you have to not trade. There's another minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes later you can trade. So this is what I meant. It crossed so many levels. It is bound to go back up. This is a support level. This one. You see, this is the edge of that trend line. It should go back from the support level. This is a stronger level because it was where a change of polarity happened. So I would say if it ends in three black crows, it would be wonderful. But not. It did not end at three black crows. But what it told us that it got a rejection from a very strong level. Now it wants to go back up. The trend ranging market got rejected from pulled back from two deviation. It wants to go up. But the problem here is I need to have an entry point. And there's no entry point. But there was also a gap down. So what do you think will happen here? This one couldn't go beyond the level of this also. So it will go up, but to some extent it will go up, and I can't figure out that extent. I really like this level where I made red line, but it has been touched so many times that I'm not sure if it would be really valid. And mostly you have to follow candlesticks in ranging market. Nothing else works. This clearly says it will go further up. This is a very nice morning star. I have to find an entry point. So for me, this is a very risky level to sell. This is a very risky level, this one. And that's how you have to be careful that you're not gambling, you are watching the levels and signals right. Why do you think it happened now? It is a hammer with a long upper wick. Is it a retracement? Sounds like it. Is it a pullback? Also sounds like it. Is it going back into that strong under this level? Yes, looks like it. Should I trade it? Yes, because it will now go back to towards other EMAs. In the ranging market, it also happens that it reverses at middle Bollinger Band. And this is a middle Bollinger Band strong reversal. It is strong candle like this. Yes. I will stop it here because it was quite intense and you have to keep your focus level high. Thanks.